Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable Salesforce to Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To enable Salesforce to Salesforce, which allows the sharing of records between different Salesforce organizations, you just have to follow these simple steps. Number one is log in as an admin, and then hover your mouse to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon. All right, if you see that, click the option that says switch to Salesforce Classic. All right. Now, here, hover your mouse to where you can find the setup option. That's going to be on top of the right corner again. Click that. And on the quick find, I want you to type in Salesforce to Salesforce. You see that? That's under Customize, Salesforce to Salesforce Settings. Click that. And from here, all I have to do is click the Enable button. You see that Salesforce to Salesforce lets you share records with business partners that use Salesforce. Click Edit to customize your Salesforce to Salesforce settings. So I'm going to click that for now. All right, click on Enable. Again, I highly suggest you read and understand the pop-up notification message here. All right. As you can see, enabling the Salesforce to Salesforce isn't reversible, but you can control the information you share, then the connections you share with. You can stop sharing or modify your sharing settings at any time by enabling Salesforce to Salesforce. And of course, you agree to allow Salesforce.com to process updates to information in your organization that is shared with other organizations. Click Save, and there you go. Okay, you have successfully enabled the Salesforce to Salesforce settings. If you click that, you see there's going to be an option here from email address, invitation template, from email name, deactivation template, accept invitation template, and reject invitation template, which we are going to dive deep in another video. But basically, this is how you enable this one. And again, you can configure other settings, such as allowing all of these after setting up some email notifications. And again, just click on save and you've done that. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.